Hi, Jennifer. My name is Jeff, and I am a co-founder of Lobo Leads. And I believe my wife Megan spoke with your colleague Jennifer recently about a quick website audit and passed along your contact information to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So, in this video, we'll go over a few specifics on how to rank your site and how to beat your competition online. Now, there's only a couple things that I really wanted to go over with you today. The first is going to be content, and the other is going to be backlinks. Now, content, as I'm sure you're aware, is going to be whatever comprises your website. There's going to be all the text within it, what your images are saved as, how they're saved, so on and so forth, any kind of internal linking, as you can see here. So I'm sure you're very, very familiar with that. Now, one of the things that I did want to address with you is that as far as content goes, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. And from what I can see here, excluding any of your footnotes and testimonials and stuff, I'm going to say you're probably hovering close to around 500, maybe less. So you'll definitely want to be sure that you increase your content on your homepage. That way you can actually stuff it with organic keywords throughout, such as electrician, Arlington, Texas, flower mound electrician, the different service areas that your company services. That way you can hit a bunch of different keyword phrases. I really do like how professional and well put together the website is. You have your customer testimonials here. You have your different reviews over here. There's building credibility all along the way, your different awards. And then I love how you just have this, this big map of your service area. Obviously, you're very, very available, servicing as much of the DFW area as you can. Now, one of the things that I did want to address with you is how your competition is beating you when it comes to search rankings. Now, what I mean by that is whenever I ran your website, just the regular home website through, now it does pick up any other keyword phrases that end up ranking for Google, but these are the ones that get your website the most traffic. I sorted it by the amount of traffic that it gets. And while you do get a lot of traffic, and I'll show you your dashboard here, because it's obvious that you're using another SEO company to do your ranking and your optimization, because you have a lot of backlinks here, 203, 64, and that's getting you over 1,000 in organic traffic, which is awesome. Now, my only concern with that is that the keyword phrases that you are ranking for are not the most buyer intent. Residential electrician, that is what's considered a national keyword. That gets you a large portion, over a tenth or close to 15% of your traffic is people clicking on it because they search residential electrician. And what that points to is your page going, what is a residential electrician? So that's going to be the case with a lot of your traffic here. Most of these are going to be very informational, which is excellent to have when you're building up your website to be a credible source as well as a service provider. But my main concern is how much are you spending on your SEO company right now to rank you for these different items. We haven't had a chance to discuss what your goals are as far as your business, but I'm assuming that one of those goals is going to be to make profits. And how you do that is by targeting your most highly sought after buyer intent search phrases, which you do have a few dotted in here. So electrician, Mansfield, Texas. That's very buyer intense. You're getting about 22 per month from that. Another one is going to be here, like electrician, Burleson, Texas. So any of the ones that have like a location next to them, that shows that it is a specific person looking for an electrician in a specific area. The rest of these, even though you're getting a lot of volume and they have a lot of search volume in general, they're not going to be the ones that convert you into your visitor into a customer. So that's going to be my biggest piece of advice here, is to just kind of either get with your SEO company to revamp that. It's probably going to be a keyword thing, but yeah, it is definitely making up a large portion of that large amount of traffic that you're getting. So as opposed to your top competitor, and I just did Arlington, Texas, one of the bigger areas, obviously not as big as Dallas and Fort Worth, but they do outrank you as far as electricians go in Arlington. And I'll show you the keywords that they rank for. See, all these right here, these are going to be on the front page. Electrician, Arlington, Texas, Arlington electrician, electricians, Arlington, Texas. So it's very location specific. And granted, it is their Arlington location, but they're not trying to rank for any of these other national keywords that are more informational as opposed to buyer intent. So that's going to be the gist of it. I did, whenever Megan passed along your information to me when I did my research on it, that was kind of the glaring aspect that I wanted to bring to your attention. I hope this helps, and please let us know if you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss it further. Here is our website, and it's called Global Leads Marketing, and this is Megan's contact number here. Thank you so much, and have an excellent rest of your day.